Welcome to this tech security alert channel, and we're going to talk about a little something that's happening in Ireland with the Health Service Executive, or the HSE, which is basically the health services that are state funded here in Ireland. And they have been hit with a ransomware. And it seems that since Friday, a lot of the IT departments and computers have been shut down or left offline. And the county ransomware that is affecting their services has encrypted a lot of data. And the group behind it has said that it actually is, they stole actually 700 gigabytes of data, including all the information about patients of the hospitals and the healthcare system, some health records, and of course also some pay information, some worker information, and a lot of data. They've actually even shared apparently with the HSC part of what they have to show that they are serious. And they are asking $20 million in ransom to do two things: give the encryption key so that they can get their files back, and second, to delete apparently the data that they have received. So this is, one of the continuing saga of how a lot of services, a lot of people and companies out there are actually having a hard time with security on their systems. And this is important to understand that, it often is because of careless way of these enterprise and these services to actually take care of IT security. It's extremely important that everybody stays safe. So what happens now? Well, the HSC said that they will not be paying the ransom behind this, and that they are not going to pay the bad guys apparently. So we'll see what happens, and we'll see what continues. It seems that the people behind this are actually people, a group that is actually located in Russia apparently. So more to come on this story possibly, but we'll keep an eye on what's happening with this. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.